World War III. We're at the brink of World War III, just in case anybody doesn't know it.
The world sprinting towards chaos, we decided to build a van that would be a battle-ready oasis amidst the uncertainty. With unparalleled off-grid technology and world-class craftsmanship, this Landship is designed to ride out the end times in dead sexy style. I'm Shane with Landship Customs, and this is the Apocalypse Mobile 2.0. The Apocalypse Mobile 2.0 has all the sensual swagger of the original, but with more luxury features and next-level off-grid technology. Its interior is dripping with handcrafted traditional woodworking using the highest quality organic materials. We obsess over every detail with a little bit of a work harder, not smarter approach. And you can feel it when you're in the van. For the ceiling, Jedi Master woodworker Scooter Nelson handcrafted Western red cedar tongue groove panels to build the Gordian knot pattern that informs all the other shapes in the van. All the trim, countertops, and flooring are Indonesian teak coated in Rubio monocoat, giving the van an incredible natural aroma. The walls have a natural lime wash paint with a beeswax finish that gives organic, durable texture to the space. The van has 3 seat belts and a back seat perfect for bringing a baby on shred trips. Swivel the driver and passenger seats around and you have a spacious lounge area. We have a travel-sized custom teak table and an extra large teak table that can feed the whole family or facilitate remote work van parties. Put up the window blinds and the living room converts into a projector screen movie theater. Approved by Sir Jack Black himself.
The best. Love it.
The control wall is nested to the side of the lounge, so you can monitor your energy and control all the systems in the van. The Victron Servo screen monitors your energy, and the dimmable light switches keep the vibe wherever you need it to be. There is freeze protection for under-van plumbing and a gray water dump switch. The 12,000 BTU pneumatic air conditioning system lives above the bed and keeps you nice and cool on hot summer nights. 12,000 BTU SVAR diesel heater lives under the passenger seat and keeps the van completely cozy in frigid temperatures. For remote work connectivity, this van also has a WeBoost signal booster that can take minimal cell signal and boost it to maximum strength. It also has a Starlink Mini that gives you remote work connectivity nearly anywhere on the planet. Take your office from the mountain to the beach to anywhere in between. The kitchen has an induction cooktop, a custom teak tile backsplash, stainless appliances, a reverse osmosis water filtration system, and a deep sink perfect for baby baths. During the apocalypse, you need as much food storage as you can get. So we put 1 fridge under the kitchen counter and a second massive fridge under the bench. The bathroom is one of the highlights of the van. We used lightweight ashen slate palisade tile and illuminated the space by backlighting the rainfall shower. We also have our signature composting toilet, the LSSB, that hides in the wall when not in use. Like other premium compost toilets, it separates the solids and liquids and has ventilation to avoid any odors. But unlike the rest, our composter diverts the liquid into a gray tank under the van. Pour some urine neutralizing enzyme down the drain before dumping, and you have odor-free, hassle-free liquid disposal. Say goodbye to stinky pee jugs forever. For the sleeping zone, we have a luxurious queen-size bed made from natural latex that sleeps east to west. This van layout is optimized for storing tons of gear and clothes on long trips with your crew. We have a full-size closet space with multiple drawers and a convertible step to hop into the bed space. There are spacious upper cabinets along both sides of the van, and there is a headboard shelf above the cab. Open the hatch under the bed and access the massive gear garage, or puppy bed zone. The garage is coated in bomb-proof Raptor liner and has enough space to fit 2 mountain bikes on a sliding tray or a whole mess of apocalyptic zombie-slaying gear. We also decided to show off our preposterously powerful electrical system in the garage behind a backlit plexiglass wall. The system has top-of-the-line Victron components with enough power for nearly anything you can imagine. It has 15 kilowatt hours of self-heated lithium batteries that have enough power to rip the air conditioner full blast for 20 hours straight. It has a 6,000 watt dual Victron inverter so you can charge wickedly fast from the grid and turn on the water heater, cooktop, blender, and your lightsaber all at the same time. For charging, it also has a 3.6 kilowatt secondary alternator that charges the battery from 0 to 100 within 4 hours of driving. We also installed an auto start system that senses if the batteries ever do get low and automatically kicks the car on for charging. This means that you can keep your pup in the car with the AC blasting for as long as you have gas in the tank, which is a game changer for national park adventures. Water system lives on the other side of the garage. It has a 35-gallon fresh tank, 5-gallon water heater, and triple sediment plus reverse osmosis filtration. It also has an outdoor shower sprayer. This is enough water to take a 10-minute shower and have plenty to spare for off-grid hydration. Now it's exterior gear time. We wanted the outside of this van to scream battle-ready Batmobile. So we wrapped the van in a mesmerizing Morpheus black iridescent color-shifting vinyl. Then we put a Backwoods Mods bumper with bull bar so you can mow down any zombie in your path. It has KO2 tires with black Rhino wheels and an agile Rip Kit suspension upgrade. This thing can handle nearly any terrain. And it has absurdly bright off-road lighting to light up any dark scene and vaporize your enemies. On the back door of the van, we have our signature modified boost box. It stores all your gear and has modular boot dryers, glove dryers, and wetsuit drying hangers. This thing is a game changer for shred trips. Never deal with wet boots or gloves again, and dry out your wetsuit in under 2 hours. On the other door, we have 2 one-up bike racks. And on the roof of the van, we have a Fiamma F45S awning for epic outdoor hang space. Now, last but not least is our signature Landship solar sail. Simply put, the solar sail is the most powerful and versatile van solar rack system on the market. It has 1,200 watts of tilting solar, so depending on the angle of the sun, you can easily double your production, which allows you to reliably power an off-grid air conditioning system and nearly anything else. Under the lid is a massive gear storage garage, which allows you to bring your entire quiver of toys on one single trip. Surf your way up the coast and snowboard back through the mountains. Leave no toy behind. Also, the lid is made from military-grade walkable panels, so you can keep all your toys in the garage while throwing rooftop dance parties or launching flips into the abyss. Finally, tilt the solar sail to 90 degrees, deploy the custom projector screen, and you have an off-grid drive-in movie theater. Because why not have a little fun while escaping the chaos? For anyone that made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Any comments or shares are massively appreciated. And for all you apocalyptic soul shredders out there, this van is available right now. Contact us at landshipcustoms.com for more details. And as always, cut ties and set sail.